Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Accenture mass hiring trends. Many of the candidates are asking about the Accenture hiring process. What about the 2025 hiring? You are waiting for test update. You are from previous batches. What about offer, onboarding and joining? In the video, we will discuss about everything. Let's start the video. First of all, this is Accenture current portal off campus. Currently, PWD hiring is active and System Application Service Associate Health EMR new hiring is active. Okay, it is for BSc and other courses like physiotherapy, regular B Pharma. Okay, so otherwise PADA opportunity, SASA opportunity is not active. If you are preparing for Accenture, you want to know Accenture hiring process, you can check out this video in which I already tell about the off campus, on campus hiring process, how to grab the opportunity, as well as like there is a Accenture 24-25 exam free preparation videos are there. Okay, with the free mock test, interview preparation are there. Similarly, offer, onboarding, result process are there. Free PDF material I already shared. All the links you will find in the description. Let's start the video and we will discuss about the queries in the detail. First of all, that I already said that one of the mass hiring, that is a PADA opportunity, SASA opportunity is not active. Okay, is still like currently not active and we have to wait for the update from the Accenture team. This is the portal. Okay guys, let's move on to the query. Candidates are asking, please make a video on Accenture that when they will onboard people. Sir, please talk about Accenture, when we can expect assessment. Okay, so first of all, understand one most important point that I have to mention. From the 2022 year, okay, from the 2022 year, on the MyZone portal, Accenture hiring is there. Okay, like there is no last date mention, they hire for the 2022 batch, 2023 batch, 2024 batch in the bulk amount. Okay, from the last 3 years there is no last date mention on the hiring page and the PADA SASA opportunity is active. But in the 2025 year, 1 to 2 months ago, like by the January or the February month, okay, the hiring is on campus hiring is postponed. Okay, on campus hiring is postponed means your the test is postponed, and the, or we can say that at that time, at a particular moment of time, the test is cancelled, not hiring is cancelled, the test is cancelled. Okay, similarly for the off campus there is no update. Okay, so what does it means? Okay, it means they have no current freshers requirement as of now. Okay, this is just a example we can this is example from which we can understand what is the hiring trends as of now. Okay, अंडरस्टैंड माई पॉइंट गाइज. फ्रॉम द लास्ट 3 ईयर्स, पिछले 3 साल से वो हायर कर रहे हैं और अभी 2025 ईयर में उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट्स अभी उतनी नहीं होगी, इसीलिए अभी हमें ऑफ कैंपस की हायरिंग नहीं दिख रही है. दैट्स द मेन रीजन वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज फ्रॉम द लास्ट 3 ईयर्स द हायरिंग इज एक्टिव ऑन द पोर्टल एंड इन every 2 to 3 months they are hiring the freshers. This is the hiring trends. Okay, and in the 2025 year, according to their requirements, soon we will see the new hiring from the Accenture according to their requirement. Okay, सेम ये अपॉर्चुनिटी किसके लिए आएगी? PADA के लिए आएगी एंड सासा के लिए आएगी, सिस्टम एप्लीकेशन सर्विस एसोसिएट एंड पैकेज ऐप डेवलपमेंट एसोसिएट, दैट इज रिलेटेड टू AAC रोल. ओके, first of all, many of the candidates, they are 2023 pass out, 2024 pass out, and on campus 2025 batch as well, they received LOI from our channel. Candidates applied in February 1, okay, and they got the September 30 as Hyderabad location final joining. Hi sir, I got a job at Accenture because of online learning YouTube channel. I am 23 pass out, applied for PADA role. Hi bhaiya, I just want to let you know that I have been shortlisted in Accenture and will receiving LOI on campus. I want to thank you and your team for keeping us updated and motivated all the time with valuable resources. Thank you. So 2025 we can understand that the on campus first phase, okay, जो कि अर्ली फेज था, उसमें कैंडिडेट्स की हायरिंग हुई है. ठीक है, उसके बाद कोई भी अपडेट नहीं है. I gave my interview in around April. I received congrats mail on 26 June. Receive my joining date on 27 August. Thank you Lokesh and team for their constant effort. They continuously uploaded video to resolve the query of student. It helped me a lot. Accenture provide joining a bit late, but you do not need to panic. Furthermore, you can also raise ticket on the platform. All the best to everyone. Candidate also mentioned that the joining is bit delay. Okay. सो यहाँ पर मैं आपको चीज़ बताता हूँ. कैंडिडेट रिसीव्ड द एक्सेंचर ज्वाइनिंग ऑन 30 सितंबर. ये बात हो रही है 2024 ईयर की. ओके कि 2024 ईयर में कैंडिडेट्स को अपडेट आए. सिमिलरली दे रिसीव्ड द अपडेट कैंडिडेट फ्रॉम 23 बैच दे अप्लाइड फॉर एंड कैंडिडेट रिसीव्ड द अपडेट पास्ट लाइक फाइनली आई रिसीव्ड अपडेट. ओके. So the thing is candidates are receiving update after 50 days of waiting period. Okay. And one of the candidate who has been without job 1.5 year. Okay. But after that she applied from our channel and she got the update that is related to Accenture. Similarly candidate applied in April and candidate got the joining in August. So you can understand one most important point that candidate applied in April. Okay. So April 2024 और अगस्त 2024 में उनकी ज्वाइनिंग आ गई. सो ये हायरिंग चल रही थी कंटिन्यूसली. क्या हो रहा था यहाँ पर एक चीज़ हो रही है. द कंटिन्यूसली हायरिंग्स इज ऑन गोइंग. ओके. continuously hiring is ongoing and they are continuously hiring 23, 22, 23, okay, 24 batch and the previous batch any year till pass out of 2024. okay, so इससे क्या हुआ, उनकी जो करंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स है वो हो गई फुलफिल. ओके, वो हो गई फुलफिल. इसीलिए अभी उन्होंने हायरिंग को जो है वो स्टॉप कर रखा है. ठीक है, अभी हमें ऑफ कैंपस की तरफ से कोई अपडेट देखने को नहीं मिल रहा है. ओके, ऑन कैंपस की तरफ से अपडेट देखने को नहीं मिल रहा है. सो द थिंग इज इफ यू रिसीव्ड द अपडेट रिलेटेड टू ऑफ कैंपस ऑन कैंपस प्लीज मेंशन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. इट विल वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर एवरीवन. दे आर जनरली हायरिंग फॉर PADA 4.6, SASA 3.4, एडवांस एसोसिएट सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर इज ओनली अवेलेबल इन ऑन कैंपस 6.5, हैक दीवा, PADA, SASA and innovation challenge, that is a Accenture innovation challenge. 21 to 24 batch hiring is completed, or we can say that hiring is already announced and posted. 25 batch on campus is announced and off campus innovation challenge is announced, but still we are waiting for one of the off campus mass hiring. Okay, so the main important query is what is about the Accenture hiring process. So you can go out, you can go to our channel, you can find this video where you will find Accenture complete hiring process. You are waiting for the test update. Okay, so guys, one most important point, अब टेस्ट के जो अपडेट्स हैं, ओके, द टेस्ट अपडेट वी विल रिसीव दैट इज रिलेटेड टू PADA SASA opportunity will totally depends on Accenture team new hiring timeline. ओके, मीन्स उनके जो न्यू टेस्ट होंगे या न्यू टेस्ट की टाइमलाइन होगी उसके हिसाब से हमें अपडेट्स देखने को मिलेंगे. वी विल रिसीव और वी विल सी द अपडेट्स फ्रॉम द Accenture दैट इज रिलेटेड टू PADA एंड SASA opportunity. ओके, so we are expecting that according to their new requirement in the upcoming month, okay, they will share the test update with candidates. पहले भी वो ऐसा ही करते थे. 2024 ईयर में वो क्या करते थे, in every 2 month, okay, in every 2 month, okay, they share the update with us that is related to test. वो टेस्ट के अपडेट भेज देते कि आपको एग्जाम का स्लॉट बुक करना है. Suppose you applied for previous hiring, if you are from 23, 24, 22 and the previous batches, and suppose you applied, if your profile is shortlisted for the test or if your profile is considered, you will receive the exam update in the next phase. Okay, next phase means different dates. तो अब हमें वेट करना पड़ेगा Accenture के न्यू टेस्ट अपडेट के लिए. अभी इसका कोई भी अपडेट नहीं है, बट 2024 ईयर में क्या होता था, एवरी 2 मंथ में वो टेस्ट मेल भेजते थे. Okay, what about the 25 hiring? So the 2025 mass hiring is according to their demands and requirements. Okay, जब उनकी टाइमलाइंस होगी वैसे ही आपको पता चलेगा. What about the offer and onboarding joining? So as I already said, okay, as I already said, what about the offer? So the offer, okay, offer means, okay, offer अगर आप सिलेक्ट हो गए हैं, ठीक है, तो उनके पास जैसे ही रिक्वायरमेंट्स आएगी अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर रिक्वायरमेंट्स ऑन पर्टिकुलर लोकेशंस, ओके, जैसे कि मुंबई लोकेशन के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट है, इंदौर लोकेशन के लिए, मल्टीपल सिटीज़ के लिए रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, उस हिसाब से आपके जो ज्वाइनिंग लेटर है या मैं कहूँगा ऑनबोर्डिंग जो है वो शेड्यूल होगी. द ऑनबोर्डिंग एंड ज्वाइनिंग इज शेड्यूल अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर डिमांड्स एंड द पर्टिकुलर लोकेशंस. ओके, so the thing is, suppose the means 1000 candidates, for this is example, 1000 candidates are waiting for the onboarding update. Okay, or we can say that they are waiting for the joining letter. So ये भी phases में होगा. Okay, because one most important point, Accenture is one of the mass recruiter. Okay, and mass recruiter को time लगता है. It will definitely take time. So I suggest everyone to apply for new opportunity, guys. Always apply for new opportunity. Okay, you have Accenture offer very good. I am I am very happy that you have offer from the Accenture company, but side by side apply for other opportunity, increase your skill set. Okay, you are waiting for the test update as well, apply for other opportunity. This is the current situation and the current updates of Accenture mass hiring. I hope you like the video. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching the video. Must like and share the video.